Namaste friends, Guruji this side from Trading Emotion channel. Welcome to you all for my intraday trade setup on 27th March 2023. See, we are discussing this market profile chart with the 30 minutes time frame, and this chart we use in the live market and after post market also only for analysis. We don't take entry based on this 30 minutes. We don't take entry on 30 minutes time frame, acceptance and rejection. But why we do this market profile chart? This is not an indicator. Okay, this is first you have to think that this is not first you have to fix your mind. This is not an indicator. This is a chart and this is a TPO. TPO means time price opportunity. So when this particular chart will give you what time you have to enter and what time how the behavior is happening. And see, there are two type of players in the market. Only two type. One is buyer, another one is seller. That's it. Only two type of players are there. Why we are using this market profile chart is whether the buyers are strong or weak, whether the sellers are strong or weak. This information you will get only one market profile. I will guarantee you that is the beauty of market profile. The buyer is if weaker, don't go with the uptrend if they are weaker. Okay, if they are strong, go with them. If sellers are weak, don't go short. Okay, so if sellers are weak, your trade plan should be whenever the reversal happening, then go with the reversal, you will get more points. Okay, so that is how we using this market profile. Very simple. And our entry, I am using for entry 15 minutes. Yeah, that you can design your setup 5 minutes, 3 minutes, 1 minute. So many people are there. The entry and exit they will fix on a smaller time frame, not a bigger time frame. Okay, let's just check what is the setup for my intraday trade setup for today. It's very simple. SGX Nifty is showing 100 plus points up. That means the overall carry forward their position, they are trapped. Overall carry forward their selling position, short position. If market opening 100 points plus, above 100 points plus, they are trapped. Okay, this first thing. If market opening here, any rejection from 70,060 to 70,070, go for short immediately. In the morning itself, if market opening here and first rejection and coming down, closing is a red candle, go for a short. Direct target this day low, previous day low. Okay, direct target previous day low and 16,900 this value area low. Okay, this value area low is a second target. This is the view on Nifty 50 future 30 minutes time frame market profile based on market profile information. Okay, so any acceptance in this point, that means above 17,180, 190. So any acceptance here, we can ride up to 150, 17,150, we can ride up to above this particular area if market opening in this particular zone. This is only one scenario. Second scenario, if market opening flat, any acceptance if market, we don't know where our market will open. If flat and taking support from this particular zone, that means previous this low 16,900, any support, if market taking any support here, then we can target this particular value area low is our target. 17,040 is our target on the reversal part. Why? Because there are overlapping K period, L period and M period overlapping in Nifty. So if market taking support from 16,900, our direct target on 17,040 is our upside target. So we have to watch which scenario is giving perfect for us. So please plan your trade setup accordingly. Like our channel, subscribe our channel, comment and share our channel to your friend circle relatives. Thank you very much.